Electricity thokpa Thongnao Switzerland scientists singna low cost transparent solar cells sing Puthokhre nungaiba pau amadi nakhoi Thongnao sing adu thunamak power puthoknaba yana leire masi transparent solar panel singi matengdagi ni Switzerland Ecole Polytechnic Federal de Lausanne da labor scientist group amana dye sensitized solar cell DSC anoba makhal ama Puthokhre hauji scientist in yum sing amasung device singi power pibada mateng oigadaba electricity generating window singi lambi adu fatle transparent panel sing aduna minna uba fangba mangalbu energy do onthoknaba semiconductor amagi surface aduda photosensitized dye seasonai masigi matangda leiramba DSC singi mawong sing adudi hakthing numiki mangalda tangjai adubu scientist in transparent photosynthesizer sing uba ngamba light spectrum pumbadagi mangal adu subsin ngamba light na activate towa molecule sing semnaba lambi ama fangle study asigi finding sing adu scientific chefong nature da phongkre study asigi aiba aduna iki aikoigi finding sing asina high performance DSS singi phangnabagi lambi adu faale amasung akoiba maikei punamakta leiba mangalbu makhoigi energy source oina sijinanaba low power electronic device singi power supply amasung battery replacement oina sijinanabagi asa pire scientists in Puthok liba transparent solar panel sing asi konthok konsin yai amasung miyamna leiba ngamgadaba mamal amada machu makal kayada manufacture tobu yai asiguma panel sing asi skylight sing greenhouse sing amasung glass facade sing da hana sijinare energy puthokpa Thongnao sing asi sahi kaya muktagi hauna market ta lerekre adubu makhoida electricity puthoknabagi damak akaknaba capacity lei haina Euronews pauksing na haire anoba molecule design asina DSC singi power conversion efficiency adu hengathali commercial solar panel amada sada kunromgi efficiency amalai aduga transparent solar panel singna hakthengna numit mangalda sada 35 dagi henba ngami amasung ambient light condition sing haibadi akoiba maikei mari makta fangma mangalda efficiency adu sada kuntra fawa yawi hairi